New design, the ultrasonic sewing machine. This is our new ultrasonic sewing machine. Simple and novel design with a user-friendly startup method. New design with smaller overall size. Whole body was made up with stainless steel, very high stability. User-friendly interface makes speed, power, pressure adjustments more convenient. Ergonomic foot controller, easy to run the machine. Titanium alloy material ultrasonic sonotrode, maximum welding width achieve at 10 millimeters. Welcome to contact us for free testing with your materials.